Guys, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Like mga somay, sopaw, or mga chicken, kwek-kwek. That's my favorite.
What about you? You also like ice cream? What about you, bro? Ice cream. Okay, thank you. What's your favorite street food here in Dingley, bro?
Why mat idok ni? Yan dol. Tama mo YouTube.
Sis, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
My favorite street food here in Dingley is fishball.
Okay, thank you. So we have here a street food stand, guys, and unfortunately some of the street foods here are not yet available, but only puto. Maybe later some of the street foods will be they will be selling here later. So we have here another street foods here, banana fuse.
Tunan mo to. Karong agay basin makaharvest ka mo kung sapon ayo at
Mais are available too.
wala ito aboy na mo sa 5 kilos. Kani ka mo lang harvest. Pero
Bro, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley, Iloilo?
My favorite street food in here in Dingley is siomai and kwek-kwek, and I think that's all.
So you are fluent in English. Where in the States you?
I don't know, I'm just born here in the Philippines.
What?
I born here in the Philippines.
You were born here.
In the Philippines, but I learned English since when I was young.
You sometimes go to the US.
No, I don't. I just stay here. Yeah. I don't go to other countries.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
sige ako dala tayo. Ate sige isa ka kalima ka fries. Virginia ka fries ka do ka.
What is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Kwek-kwek, siomai, and kikiam.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
We have some fruit stands here in Dingley Market. Inside Dingley Market. We have here peanuts. Peanuts are being sold here also.
Dito na.
So bro, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Siomai.
Siomai. What about fast food?
Pudi burger.
You also like Frank Burgers.
Frank burger.
So there's a fast food store on the other side of the road, the Frank and Burgers. So we have a fast food store here, Franks and Burgers.
Ay, mo na lang tatlo ka.
Bro, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Ang quick bukas.
What about your fast food?
Ang
Okay, thank you.
Ano ang fast food?
Kap, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley, Kap?
Ang kwan lang ang ano ni? Yang sari-sari lang. Kung mga ano lang, mga laswala bla.
Oh,
Wala na.
and then your favorite fast food, Kap?
Ang daway mata fast food gid ano?
Like burgers,
Sa burgers na eh. Sa burgers.
Frank
Oo,
Burgers.
Parang burgers.
Okay, thank you, Kap.
Thank you. Sige, okay.
Sis, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Kikiam, sir.
Kikiam.
Kikiam lumpia.
What about fast food?
Bidang saya.
Fast food, you know fast food. Like burgers or
Fries, sir.
fries. Burger, you don't like.
Just like,
What about footlong?
hindi, hindi ko mahilig sa mga sa mga tinapay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley, guys?
fishball.
Fishball. What else? Bro. So we have another fast food here, and many customers are sitting and waiting for their orders. Guys, what is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Dim sum, sir.
So dim sum is a kind of fast food, right?
Yes.
Just like burger. So here is the fast food here. So thank you, guys. So guys, we have here just came out of the blender smoothie avocado with milk and ice, and then we have here fast food from Jollibee, and this is a spag. But let's go back first to our blog about the best street foods of Dingley, Iloilo. What is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Okay, boy.
What? Oh,
Karon lang. Take to a night.
okay. What is your favorite street food here in Dingley?
Siomay.
Siomai. Okay, thank you.
Bakit mo na dyan?
What is your favorite street food?
Siomay boards.
Where are you going, guys? Guys, where are you going? Guys, we have here another stand here of street foods. What are being sold here are chicken wings, chicken lumpia, and chicken necks. So here's our seller. So unfortunately, we have no customers yet here. Maybe later. We have more street foods here, guys. So this is siomai. So that was our vlog for today, guys, and hope you enjoy this vlog about the best fast foods and the street foods of Dingley, Iloilo. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and see you on our next video.